Ceylon Furniture Inter-Department Cricket Tournament. "16 teams, one family." Every boundary, every wicket, every cheer reminds us what unity truly means. Together, we play with passion, strength, and one shared spirit. As one Ceylon Furniture family. It's not just about winning, it's about celebrating our people, the heart of Ceylon Furniture. 4 tournaments strong, one unstoppable family. This is Ceylon Furniture. Built with trust, united in spirit.
Ceylon Furniture